Okay, now here's the first lamp I'm going to fit, and just point out a little sort of bluish blob there. It's this. Now I had the devil's own job getting people to understand me as to what this is. When I knew about it, or was introduced to it, I was in the army. We used to call it black nasty because no matter how much watered, it was all black. And we used to use it for a number of purposes, and one of them was repairing insulation on cables. The correct name in army is tape self-amalgamating. So I got into Civvy Street, came over to Australia, and of course the same language doesn't seem to exist. I would ask people from any number of hardware stores, and I just got a blank look. And after many years, I started working at the power stations in the Hunter Valley, and one of the other guys, and if he's watching now, Muzz, you're a bloody legend, found this stuff and gave me a reel, because he'd been looking for it apparently, just keeping an eye out, and it was called self-sealing tape, so fair enough, you know. So I went to Bunnings a few years after that, and I was going up and down the aisles looking for self-sealing tape. I couldn't bloody find it anywhere. And the young kids said, that's plumber's tape. Oh, no. Plumber's tape is thin and plasticky, and you wind it round plumbing joints. It's called PTFE tape in another day. But they produce this. I said, that is never plumber's tape, but I'll have it. And I think it was about 6 months later, I was looking for some, and what do you know, they changed the name of it to self-sealing tape. Jeez.